Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about acceleration, types of accelerations. Okay, now first point, that is acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Change in velocity upon time taken is called acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by a small a. Okay, acceleration is what? Acceleration is the change in velocity upon time taken, or in other word, rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Okay, for example, if any object is changing its velocity, means v1 is equals to 5 meter per second when the time was 5 seconds, for example, from starting, and after some time, means after some time, let us suppose 5 seconds, the velocity becomes 20 meter per second. The acceleration will be what? Acceleration will be change in velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity upon final time minus initial time, means after 5 seconds, means it will be 10, means 10 minus 5, 15 upon 5. Now this is 3 meter per second upon second, or 3 meter per second square. The unit of acceleration is meter per second or meter per second square. This is the unit of acceleration. Now we will discuss types of acceleration. Types of acceleration is, first, uniform acceleration. It is similar to the uniform velocity, okay, or uniform speed. Uniform acceleration means when the change in velocity is same in equal time of interval, means change in velocity is equal in equal time of interval. For example, when in 1 second, in first second, the velocity is changing from 5 meter per second to 10 meter per second, and in another 1 second, from 10 to 15 meter per second. Because in equal time of interval, the change in velocity, the change is 5 meter per second square, 5 meter per second, and here the change is also 5 meter per second. In equal time of interval, when the change in velocity is equal, in equal time of interval, then this type of acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Hope you are understanding. Now variable acceleration is similar to variable speed or velocity. Variable means when the time is equal, it means in equal time of interval, the change in velocity is not equal, means if it is, let us suppose this is 16, means the change in velocity will be 6 meter per second, means the change in velocity is not same. That means this is variable acceleration or non-uniform acceleration. Now third point, that is average acceleration. Average acceleration is what? Average acceleration is the total change in velocity upon time taken. Average acceleration is denoted by a bar. This is change in velocity upon change in time. Total change in velocity upon total change in time is called average acceleration. Now instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration is similar to instantaneous velocity or speed. Okay, instantaneous acceleration means acceleration at any particular instant. When we apply limit here, means delta v upon delta t, means change in velocity upon change in time, where when limit delta t tends to 0, means when the time duration is very small, approximately equals to 0, then this is called the average velocity. The average velocity is called, average acceleration is called when the delta t is 0, then the acceleration is called instantaneous acceleration, and delta means bigger change can be written as smaller change dv upon dt. When the limit is applied to average acceleration, then this average acceleration becomes instantaneous acceleration, and this is equals to dv upon dt. Once I want to say that this is delta v and this is v. dv, delta v means bigger change and dv means very small change. Very small change in velocity upon time is called instantaneous acceleration, and this is also differentiation of velocity with respect to time. It can also be written as d upon dt of v, and we know that v is equals to dx upon dt, where dx is the change in displacement and dt is the change in time. In place of v, we can write dx upon dt from previous lectures. Okay, now here d upon dt, dv, in place of v, dx upon dt. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now here in place of this we can write a is equals to d upon dt of dx upon dt. In place of this d upon dt, dx upon dt, d square x upon dt square. Okay, or in this way d square dt square of x. Okay, hope you are understanding. The d square upon dt square, or you can read it as d square x upon dt dt square. Okay, never write like dx square upon dt square. Okay, this will be d square x upon dt square, because this is the operator. Okay, means double differentiation, two-time differentiation of displacement, that will give instantaneous acceleration. Hope you are understanding. And now we are going to discuss positive acceleration, negative acceleration, constant acceleration and zero acceleration. Zero acceleration means when the acceleration is zero, means change in velocity will be zero. When the numerator is zero, the acceleration will be zero. Change in velocity is zero means change in the velocity is not happening, means initial velocity is 5 meter per second and final is also 5 meter per second. Means in 1 second there is no change in velocity, that means the change in velocity is zero. Again constant acceleration means when initial is 5, final 10, initial 10 and final 15, the difference is 5 here and here also 5, means in every second the difference is constant. Means in every particular in any given time, if the change in velocity is constant, it may be in 2 seconds, it may be in 5 seconds. Okay, means any given time, any equal time of interval, when the change in velocity is equal, then the acceleration, the type of acceleration is called constant acceleration. Negative and positive acceleration means when the velocity is increasing. First change in velocity is 5, and if it is 20, it will be 10. Means in every 1 second the velocity, means the change in velocity is increasing. The change in velocity is increasing. In first second the change in velocity is 5 meter per second, and in next 1 second the change in velocity is 10 meter per second, means the velocity is the change in velocity is increasing, that means the acceleration is called positive acceleration. Same like if it is decreasing, means let us suppose this is 12, this will be equals to 2. The change in velocity is decreasing, that means the acceleration is negative acceleration. And hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching.